Dear Abundance, Manifestor, today we are on a journey of self-love with affirmations. May this journey fill your heart and soul with love, light, peace, and abundance. Just hear these affirmations with the intention of embracing self-love in your being. Please feel free to close your eyes if you want and take a deep breath and let yourself relax. This is your sacred moment, a moment to reconnect with your heart and remember who you truly are. You deserve love, you deserve peace, and most of all, you deserve your own kindness. Let these affirmations heal you and remind you of your infinite worth. I am worthy of unconditional love, peace, and light. I am fulfilled and I choose to love myself as I am. My heart is open to receive the infinite love and respect universe holds for me. I honor my mind, body, and soul with compassion. I am kind and respected. I am proud of who I am becoming. Success follows me. I deserve peace, happiness, and emotional freedom. I release all self-doubt and embrace confidence. I am divinely protected and guided. I trust my journey and the person I am becoming. I am enough and abundant. I celebrate my progress, even the small steps. I give myself permission to rest and heal. I attract people who appreciate and respect me. I let go of any past baggage and pain with compassion. I attract thoughts that empower my spirit, soul, and future. I am deserving of joy, love, and new possibilities. I nourish my body with care and appreciation. My self-love grows stronger every day. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. I show up for myself with kindness, honesty, and love. I allow myself to heal and evolve. I am grateful for my strength and resilience. I am a magnet for love, peace, health, and positivity. I welcome inner peace. I embrace my flaws and imperfections with love. I am worthy of forgiveness. I give love and receive love effortlessly. Love naturally flows to me. I am aligned, grounded, and deeply loved. I am peace. I am love. I am worthy of all the magic that universe holds for me. Take one more deep breath. Let your heart soften and feel the love flowing back into you. Remember, you are enough. You are deserving. You are infinite. You are worthy. Carry this energy with you today. I love your uniqueness. I honor you, and I believe in your journey.